Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can sign in to the Valley National Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.valley.com and hit enter. After the home page of the Valley National Bank opens up on your screen, on the right hand side of your screen you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the sign in button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in your credentials. You will have to fill in your username here, your password here, and then click on sign in. After you click on the sign in button, and if you have filled in those credentials correctly, you'll be automatically signed in to your Valley National Bank account. I hope this video helped you to sign in to your Valley National Bank account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.